Have you ever wondered what would happen if you started doing 100 burpees every day? How would your physique change? And how would this intense fitness program affect your intimate moments? We dive into the depths of scientific study in this video to reveal the mysteries behind the impact of regular burpees on the human body. Prepare to go on a journey that will reveal both remarkable physical advantages and possible improvements to your sexual well-being. So let's get started. Number 1. Cardiovascular health. Burpees are a highly intense exercise that incorporates cardiovascular training. Performing 100 burpees daily can improve your cardiovascular endurance, leading to a stronger heart muscle, increased lung capacity, and enhanced circulation. Regular cardiovascular exercise can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks, strokes, and hypertension. Number 2. Muscular strength and endurance. The dynamic nature of burpees targets multiple muscle groups, including the chest, arms, shoulders, abs, glutes, and legs. By performing 100 burpees every day, you engage these muscles and promote their growth and endurance. Over time, this can lead to improved muscle tone, increased strength, and enhanced overall physical performance. Number 3. Fat burning and weight loss. Engaging in high-intensity exercises like burpees can significantly contribute to weight loss and fat burning. The combination of cardiovascular exercise and full-body muscle engagement stimulates the metabolic system, promoting calorie expenditure and fat breakdown. Incorporating 100 burpees into your daily routine can help accelerate weight loss and improve body composition. Number 4. Flexibility and mobility. While burpees primarily focus on strength and cardiovascular fitness, they also involve elements of flexibility and mobility. The exercise requires a full range of motion in multiple joints, aiding in joint mobility and improving overall flexibility. By performing 100 burpees daily, you can enhance your joint stability and range of motion, reducing the risk of injuries and promoting better posture. Number 5. Psychological benefits. Engaging in regular physical exercise, including daily burpees, can have profound psychological benefits. Exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, neurotransmitters responsible for feelings of happiness and well-being. By performing 100 burpees each day, you can experience reduced stress levels, improved mood, increased self-confidence, and enhanced cognitive function. Number 6. Increased libido. Engaging in regular exercise, such as the daily practice of 100 burpees, can have a remarkable impact on your sexual desire, commonly referred to as libido. Physical activity triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which can significantly heighten your overall sense of well-being and positively influence sexual desire. Furthermore, regular exercise has been shown to increase testosterone levels, the primary hormone responsible for fueling sexual desire in both men and women. By incorporating 100 burpees into your daily routine, you can experience a noticeable boost in your libido, fostering a greater interest in and enjoyment of sexual activity. So there you have it, the incredible health benefits of doing 100 burpees every day. Also, click here to know about what happens to your body if you start practicing Tai Chi every day.